Have you ever wondered why you support the football club you do? Not the club you were born next to, not the club your family supports, but the club that, for some strange reason, feels like you. Because this is the truth. Most people don't choose their football club logically, they choose it psychologically. Deep beneath the surface, every club carries a story, a trait, a personality, an emotional blueprint, and we are unconsciously drawn to the club that mirrors our own internal world. We don't pick teams, we pick identity structures. So today, let's break down what it really means when someone says, I'm a Liverpool fan or I'm a Chelsea fan. Because behind those words lies deep psychology, belonging, trauma, defiance, identity, aspiration, everything that makes football more than a sport. This is the psychology of the clubs we support. Liverpool, the psychology of belonging, emotion, and collective soul. Liverpool fans are drawn to something deeper than football, they are drawn to belonging. Liverpool is a club built on collective trauma, working class unity, emotional honesty, resilience, community identity. Let's break down the psychology like a professor would. Collective trauma that leads to deep attachment bonds. Events like Hillsborough created not just tragedy but shared emotional memory. Psychology tells us that groups who experience trauma together develop stronger bonds, deeper loyalty, moral solidarity, identity anchored in empathy. People unconsciously drawn to Liverpool often resonate with themes of struggle, injustice, and collective healing. You'll never walk alone. The anthem is one of the most powerful identity signals in sport. It communicates you belong, you're not alone, your pain matters, your joy is shared. Fans who crave emotional safety, inclusion, and connection easily attach to Liverpool. It becomes a spiritual identity, not just a club. The underdog heroism archetype. Liverpool's Great Nights, Istanbul 2005, Barcelona 2019 reinforce one core message. Even when the world sees no hope, we fight. People who see themselves as fighters, survivors, or believers find their internal story reflected in Liverpool. The working class morality. Liverpool represents humility, honesty, hard work, emotional sincerity. Fans who resent arrogance, glamour, or artificial success naturally gravitate towards Liverpool's grounded identity. The Klopp era. Emotional leadership. Klopp personified authentic leadership psychology. Hugs, vulnerability, connection, belief, unity. People drawn to empathetic leadership styles often feel magnetized to Liverpool during the Klopp era. Now we move on to Chelsea. The psychology of defiance, power, and big night mentality. Chelsea attracts a completely different psychological profile than Liverpool. Chelsea's identity is built on rebellion, ruthlessness, ambition, chaos mastery, giant killing, performing when doubted. Let's unpack the mindset. The against the world identity. Chelsea is the club of defiance, historically viewed as new money, disliked, doubted, chaotic, disruptive. Chelsea fans resonate with the archetype of we don't need your approval, we'll beat you anyway. People drawn to Chelsea often carry subconscious traits of independence, rebellion, emotional toughness, cold competitiveness, winning without romance. Unlike clubs rooted in emotion or beauty, Chelsea's identity is pragmatic. Win the moment, end the game, kill the giant. This appeals to fans who value results over aesthetics, toughness over poetry, execution over ideals, mental strength over reputation. Chelsea fans often see themselves as fighters, closers, survivors, people who work best under pressure. The giant killer archetype. Chelsea's most defining moments: Barcelona 2012, 10 men at Camp Nou, Bayern 2012 in Munich, Man City 2021 UCL final, countless knockout miracles. People drawn to Chelsea often identify with, you underestimate me at your own risk. It is a club for those who thrive in adversity, chaos advantage, the storm mentality. Chelsea doesn't fear chaos, it requires it. When matches become emotional, hostile, desperate, frantic, Chelsea becomes stronger. Fans who see themselves as thriving under pressure, excelling in crisis, calm in storms, connect with Chelsea's psychological profile. The Roman era, power, ambition, transformation. The Abramovich era attracted people who resonated with sudden rise, dramatic transformation, ambition without apology. climbing from outsider to champion. Chelsea fans often identify with aspirational psychology. I will reinvent myself, no matter what it takes.